Hi everyone, I'm Craig and welcome to How to Draw a Perfect Spiral. What you'll need to draw a spiral is just a pencil or pen, a ruler and a compass. Before drawing your spiral, it's important to decide on how big you want your spiral to be. Also to think about how big you want the spiral gaps to be and the direction of your spiral. Will it be anti-clockwise or clockwise? Next, draw a line that's equal to the length of the spiral. This is the diameter. And then along this line, mark out the spiral gap sizes. I've gone for a 12 centimeter diameter spiral with a 1 centimeter spiral gap spacing. After drawing the diameter line, next step is to find the center point for your compass. This will be halfway along the diameter. In my case, 6 centimeters. Next, start drawing semicircles. Draw them on the left-hand side of the diameter if you want a clockwise spiral, or on the right-hand side for an anti-clockwise spiral. Begin drawing your first semicircle starting with a marker closest to the center. Draw from that marker back around to the diameter line. Now repeat this process until you have drawn a semicircle for every marker along the diameter line. Next, we will need to identify the new center point for our compass so that we can create our spiral shape. Do this by halving your spiral width. For me, this will be half a centimeter. Then measure this distance from below the original center point. This will be your new center point. Now we begin drawing semicircles on the opposite side. Start by placing your compass point on the new center point. Then draw from the original center point around to the first marker below the new center point. This is what it should look like. Draw the next semicircle. Do this by drawing from the next marker above the original center point. Draw around so it connects with the next free marker below. Repeat this process until you have drawn a semicircle for every point. Congratulations, you've drawn a perfect spiral. Next, you may wish to experiment with some further ideas, like using different spiral widths, or connecting spirals together to create interesting and complex patterns. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you wish to view more drawing tips or to view my designs, please follow me on Facebook via the link below. Once again, thank you very much for watching.